Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let us take a look into min aggregate function. Well, the min aggregate function we can use to find the smallest value or a minimum value in the specified column. So in previous lecture, we have seen the average aggregate function, and we will continue with the same employees table and data. Okay. So here let us see how to use min aggregate function to find the minimum value in the specified column. For example, here let us first get all the employees from employees table. So here we have employees table with these 6 employees. Now what we want to do is we want to use min aggregate function to find a minimum value in the salary column. So you can see the minimum value is 15,000. Okay. So let us write the SQL statement to find a minimum salary in the salary column. So here just type select and then followed by the min aggregate function. And here we are going to find the minimum value in the salary column. So here just pass salary column name to the min function and then give alias, let us say smallest underscore salary and then from employees table. And here you can see the minimum value is 15,000 and you can see the salary column values. 15,000 is the minimum value. That is what got printed over here in the output. Okay. Next, let us see how to use min aggregate function to find a minimum salary in a specific department. Let us say IT department. So IT department has 3 employees, Ramesh and then Arjun and then Umesh. And among these 3 employees, the minimum salary is 20,000. Okay. So let us write the SQL statement to calculate the minimum salary in a specific department, that is IT department. So here just type select and then followed by the department name and then min aggregate function name and then pass salary column to the min aggregate function and then as smallest underscore salary is a alias name and then followed by from employees table and then followed by where clause to add the condition where department equal to IT. Hit enter and here you can see 20,000 is the smallest salary in a IT department. If you want to find the smallest salary for HR department, you can specify the HR over here instead of IT. Okay. Next, let us see how to use min aggregate function with group by clause. So here let us write the SQL statement to group the employees by department and find the smallest salary in each department. Okay. So here just type select and then followed by the column name from which we are going to group, that is department, and then min aggregate function and then pass salary column name and then as alias name smallest underscore salary and then from employees table and then group by department. Alright, hit enter and here you can see the result set. IT department has smallest salary, HR sales. Okay. So this is how we use min aggregate function with group by clause to group the employees by department and get the minimum salary in each department. Okay, perfect. In next lecture, we'll take a look into max aggregate function. Alright, great. I will see you in the next lecture.